Hi, this is Mr. Leckenby with the Edison Public Library. Welcome to our virtual craft for teens. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an egg carton face. Now you probably saw on our website what these look like. This is a finished one that I did. So basically what it is you're taking an egg carton, you're dismantling it, and you're turning it into a face. So how do you do that? Well, let's start, shall we? So basically what you need, it doesn't matter if it's an 18 egg carton or 12. You can even do it with a 6, but it has to be cardboard. Cardboard's just easier to work with. This is the lid of 18, and I cut out the weird little nubby things. You can buy them without the nubby things on the lid, which would give you a cleaner surface, but I didn't have any of those. So, and then I taped a piece of cardboard over the holes just to give myself a nice surface to work with. All right, and then you're gonna take the egg carton bottom and you're gonna cut out all the weird little shapes, the cups, any other pieces of the egg carton you want to make the face with. All right, now you're going to need some tools. The most important one is this, a hot glue gun. Now the reason we're using a hot glue gun is hot glue makes things stick really fast and really strong. All right, you can get one of these, they're cheap. You can get them at a store for like $1 sometimes. They're not expensive, but they're really important for crafting because of that ability to glue things quickly. They have cold glue guns that work similarly, but I've never used one, honestly, so I'm not sure if they have the same ability. You're gonna need some paint. You're gonna need a paintbrush, and that's it. All right, so let's get started with this. I'm gonna move my camera down so you can see what I'm doing. All right, here we go. So I have my box top here, and I want to make it a face. So I'm going to kind of work with what I already have. These sort of look like eyes. I'm going to add an element to the eyes. I'm going to add the little cups to give them some depth. And so I'm going to start gluing. You don't need a lot of hot glue. Just enough that it's not going to move anywhere. So I'm putting the glue on the edge here. All right. Okay. So I got that. I'm going to do a mouth. I'm going to put this there for the mouth. I need a little bit here and a little bit here. Got my mouth. Okay. I'm going to do a nose. He's going to have a pointy nose. So I'm going to do some here and some here. There's my nose. And I think I'll do an ear on the side. Let's see. Like that. So an ear there. And here you're going to see why hot glue is such a valuable thing to have. I'm hoping this will stick really fast to prove my point. Of course, you want to be really careful with hot glue because it's hot. If it sticks to your skin, it hurts. All right, so there you go. So if I had more things, more elements, I could add them, but I'm pretty happy with this face. All right, so then you get to paint it. So I'm gonna give my little egg carton guy blue eyes. Always have paper towels on hand. All right, let's give him a red nose. You could probably use markers too if you wanted to. The paint for this part. I'm going to give him some red eyebrows. Let's give him green lips. There we go. And let's give him some yellow spots. Bloop. And bloop. Alright. There's my cardboard person. Okay. So, kind of a fun thing to do with leftover egg cartons, and they make kind of cool decorations. You can make them as a gift for somebody. So there you go. Hope you have fun with that. And we'll see you at some of our other teen programs coming up. Check our events calendar on our website. Thanks. Bye.